How to hide online status on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your WhatsApp and you need to go to your settings. So from the bottom here, you can see we have a setting option and you will open it up. Once you open up your settings, then what you need to do is you're going to go to the privacy. You can see just under account. Once you select privacy, it will open up the privacy of your WhatsApp for you, where you will see last seen and online, profile photo, then we have our live location, blocked, and more. So inside our last seen and online, you're going to select this option at the top. And here you can see we have who can see my last seen. So you will select everyone from here or nobody. So we have two options, and then we also have my contacts and my contact accept. And then we have who can see when I am online. Now here you can see I have selected everyone, but if I select same as last seen, that means nobody will be able to see my, online status. So you can see if I select nobody from here, then we can also hide our online status. Once you select this option, then you will be able to hide your online status on WhatsApp and nobody will be able to tell when you are online or not. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.